Thank you for choosing the Motif Medical Luna Breast Pump. Innovated with the modern mom in mind, the Luna is a sophisticated, strong, and portable breast pump built for user-friendly comfort and efficiency. In a third-party research study, 5 out of 6 moms agreed the Luna breast pump provides more milk in less time compared to the leading competitors' pumps. In the same study, 90% of moms preferred the Luna over other breast pumps. Available in a lightweight desktop or battery-powered model, the Luna features whisper quiet operation, a 3-setting soft night light, and a backlit LCD screen that won't strain your eyes, helping you pump discreetly and easily, no matter when or where you're pumping. The Luna also boasts 10 customizable expression and massage modes for maximum letdown, output, and comfort during your pumping sessions, as well as the option for double or single pumping. The closed system provides backflow protection, helping keep the motor and tubing clean as well as preventing contamination. Before using the Motif Luna, please read the user manual and follow all instructions to prevent personal injury or damage to the breast pump and its parts. Also, be sure to register your breast pump upon receiving it. When unpacking the box, make sure all of the following components are enclosed: 1 Motif Luna breast pump, 1 set of tubing, 2 diaphragm tops, diaphragm bottoms, and diaphragms, 1 pair of each of the following breast shield sizes: 24mm and 28mm, 2 valves, 2 bottles, bottle caps, and nipples, 2 bottle covers and bottle discs, 1 power adapter. Before assembling the Motif Luna, consult the user manual and follow instructions on how to properly sanitize and sterilize the pump parts before starting the assembly process. Next, be sure to measure and find the breast shield that best fits you. You can refer to the user manual to learn how to measure and find the best fit. Once you have ensured you have all the necessary breast pump parts and selected your proper breast shield, you are ready to assemble the Motif Luna. Assembling the Motif Luna. Prior to each assembly and pumping session, be sure to wash your hands before touching any breast pump components. With clean hands, insert the diaphragm into the diaphragm bottom, ensuring that it fits securely and that the diaphragm edge fits around the rim of the diaphragm bottom. After this, connect the diaphragm top over the diaphragm bottom and diaphragm by snapping on the diaphragm bottom into the rim of the top diaphragm. Next, push the valve onto the underside of the breast shield and connect the diaphragm assembly to the top of the breast shield using a gentle twisting motion to attach. Screw the bottle onto the underside of the breast shield. Connect the tubing to the diaphragm assembly and connect the other end of the tubing to the Luna. If pumping in stationary mode or using the non-battery Luna model, attach the power adapter to the pump body and plug the power adapter into the electrical outlet. If you are using the battery-powered Luna and wish to pump in non-stationary mode, follow the same assembly instructions except for plugging in the power adapter. If pumping in single pump mode, make sure to cover the airflow port with the plug. To use the Luna in double pump mode, remove the plug from the airflow port and connect the second set of tubing to the breast pump and second milk collection kit. You are now ready to begin your pumping session with the Motif Luna. Once you have completed your pumping session, be sure to disassemble the pump kit entirely to clean and store after each use. To do so, simply twist the diaphragm assembly off the breast shield. Remove the breast shield from the milk collection bottle and close the bottle tightly with the bottle cover and bottle disc and store safely. Then remove the tubing from the diaphragm assembly and breast pump. Once disassembled, be sure to clean and sanitize the breast pump parts properly after each use. Thank you for choosing the Motif Luna Breast Pump. To learn more, visit us online at motifmedical.com.